To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
Forgive me, I may have said a few things that didn't sound proper. Forgive me, I may have done a few things that shouldn't really matter. Don't blame it on the music, blame it on a terrible dream I had last night. Forgive me, I may have had a few drinks that goes through my head. Forgive me, you know those little things can leave a man insane. I declare my innocence, blame it on a terrible dream I had last night. Feeling so hurt, don't blame it on my guitar, blame it on a terrible dream I had last night. Sometimes I believe that I can fly, but in the silly dream I'm reaching for the sky. Yeah. Dreams are never what it seems to be. Heed my humble plea as I go down on bended knee.
Girl, that's it. Today I think I goes off.
Boy, I want to know that Jessica, you can sleep, you know?
Let me tell you. Call me there with you.
Yeah. What you say I going now?
Girl, me and my little man, I call you to tell you about.
I want to know.
The boy say he wants me and him to have joint accounts. Because that's how we take the relationship serious. Because you hear him say we are do it now. He must say to all him love me, he must show me say I'm serious. So we're going to make up joint account together. That means any double play in the relationship, whether they can feel on her my hand, one of us can lose everything.
Why, if you tell the truth, no, Jessica, that not sound safe, you know? That not sound safe because man cannot be trusted.
Girl, what do you mean, man? I know every man is the same thing. We can't trust him, man. The boy is for real, girl.
You can't trust him, man.
Yes.
So if you put one test on him now, he will pass the test?
I'm not testing for put on him.
What mean what kind of test if you put on him? You see, women don't understand, you know, woman, when you put all in a man, so you feel like say everything alright in a relationship when you not even know what the man out the road I do.
Girl, I know him not do nothing. I know the boy. I'm just say the boy is genuine and him for real. And things are gonna work out, girl. Girl, the man in love me. I see the love on him.
You see love for him? I can't bother. You're my friend, you know, but you're an idiot. You're not have no sense. You can't put a trust. You can't put all your trust in our man. You know, good. Because you see, by any idea when you get hurt, you go say, boy, if me didn't know this, if me didn't know that. And deep down inside the close off all doors with the negativity then. You have to pray both negative and positive.
See, girl, you are think negative now. You always think negative.
This money issue, we are talking about saying to giant account, right? You put fear money in there, input fee money in there, right? So, sorry about that. Maybe that could be it. So that time is a fair hard working money where you work so hard to put in a bank, right? And the man put one or two money in there. Jessica, so when me I see, when me I try to say is that, you see, when it want to put the money in a bank, a man go back in a bank, take out the money and go spend it for other woman. And you, where I work so hard, I go ball over the same money. You get what me I say?
No, girl, cause you tell how it go. It's not me not take out my money, put in a film account, we getting an account together. So the two in him in the account there. So if him can't go behind my back go spend the money, I mean I know. So him not go spend my money on no other woman,
Oh,
girl.
you sure?
Cause him is not like that. Me I try to tell you, say him is not like that. Me say, you see that boy, me say, what am I call him now? Him genuine. Girl,
You sure?
me
know I get hurt, cause me get hurt all the time, I'm not put my trust in nobody at all.
So me ask you a question. So do you get hurt the one time where you feel like everybody out for hurt you?
Yes.
No, girl, you can't think so. Good man out there,
I know that. But when a good man come, God will show me a blink of an eye.
So hold on there. So when the good man come now, God can stay up there and blink you until you say a good man
the
yes.
one day. Yeah.
So me don't know who me have friends like. I know you idiot long time,
Like you. And you may take care of it. See, all of your idiotness are about family. Like you don't realize that.
Girl, you cannot be like that. So I'm tell you something. Alright, you have it the wrong concept. Alright, so me and you are safe together. Me and your friend, me and you have a joint account together too,
Me no have a joint account with the next thing I go run off for the whole of my money. You're mad? You're crazy. Who are you? Me save my own money, me save it this so, and you save the fear this so, and then we come together and say, no, say that the amount that me save, and you say, no, me not trying to.
Let me say not trust me then, you have to run off your money.
I mean, not say me not trust you, Jessica. But me I tell her say me nah do it. Me rather put on my money by myself.
Well, me love my man, and my man want good for your relationship and good for me and him. So we going join together. I'm not hearing nobody want to say.
But I hope when tomorrow morning come and you spend it on the next girl, you don't have no problem. Because they want you. And I like, so I never want you. Alright.
Come
Anyway,
here now.
but as a matter of fact, I'll be a fatty a chat right there, so me I got me here. Don't call me over here to chat about your man.
So if you say a bad mind, catch you number no one, you can't find a good man.
Mama,
and that is why.
Tell, me no want nobody. And that is the thing.
Why me your friend? Me talk to you later, but you're too
get
jealous,
woman in
man.
a fire.
You're too jealous. You get a man for yourself and you can't come talk to me. One way out with your crosses. If I can have a friend that me keep, me I tell her, oh, me and my welcome man relationship, I go good and call the girl I go on.
Honey,
Yeah.
your foot started?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. I tell you, I say, top, we do certain things. You always want to experiment certain things, but you want to go up and hit top. You go drop and you pop your back.
Me alright.
Them things that, I'm going to tell you something, you don't have to force yourself to please me. You understand? Because I know some of them things, it's like you watch the thing on TikTok when you get a bubble and rate and then you see, I don't know, how should?
No one.
Your foot, you like your foot on the dresser. I'm tell you, say.
Yes, it's well.
Let me see it, man. Put it down. Take your time. Put it down. Ah, that mercy. Want to be like the young girl them. Nobody with that babe. Hey, just know say me and you.
Me a young girl. Don't do that.
Me not say you're a young girl, but you're going like a young girl. Eh? Head top and then sitting. Don't bother with it, man. Ah, Jesus. So, otherwise, who, I'm here to talk to the door.
I'm a friend in America, but you.
Oh.
Boy, I can't bother with she. The fact that we like a relationship I go good and thing, and I say it to her.
Oh.
And I say, you make me feel like good man still out there and love exist, you know, and them look with it. Me, I think so should have happened for me as a friend.
You really feel so? Yes, what kind of girl Mark have it? Eh?
Not true.
This she's for the streets. You understand me I say?
You're so right.
Cause, you know, from it's like a relay she run. One man, next man, and that's how she go until she reach her finish line. Cause I don't know which part of finish line there. If I done a cemetery or what. But I have to leave that. But I'm gonna tell you something. When I use the phrase pan say birds of the same feather flock together, me go understand say before me you had a friend like that. And you know, when we grew up together and we know in the same situation, you know, based on community and society. But babe, if a social talk to you, me feel say I've got to let her go. Take your time and weed her out your life.
And my friend, I love her, you know what?
She love you? You sure she love you?
No, so.
Sometimes some people they run their face, them with you, them a pray you, and them a try to, you know say boy, them a compete with you silently. And you not gonna know that, babe. I see her already, you know, I see how she look for me head to toe. What she look for me head to toe for? Eh? Not dirty style that?
I mean, I wonder if she's jealous, you know. Cause I feel jealous.
And I wonder, I mean, no, say she jealous. You, not me. You understand me? Because me could have never, I mean, I tell you rough. Sometimes I think about certain things. You know, say I want to sit in a rhythm, me get on my day, and I say I want to vice it.
Okay.
You know what I mean? But, I don't know. Sometimes me get a vibe and, you know, the vibe jump off and thing. But I think say me go, you know, I feel like a vice one song based on or relationships. So you hear how me feel and all them something. You know what I mean? Genuinely, because trust me, you see the spiritual connection of me have. It's not about money and them something. You know tell us we have joint account.
Me, that's it, now.
Jesus Christ, baby. You know that the next problem why she might have, as she never have somebody who want to invest in her well-beings. You know, say certain people stay dirty.
You know, she babes. She said nothing like that. You want to take money for mine.
Take your money for
the road.
You not tell her how much money me I put in it though.
No, I'm not telling her that. I go so far.
If you tell her that, at that time she go hate you. Because if me you invest 150,000 every month and then you just put whatever you can and we put it together, can you imagine how much she go hate you? Eh? When last you think she see 150,000? Eh? Them the people don't see money. Because they don't know how to save and put things and make a bill. You understand me I say?
Yeah, but I feel like I'm not going to tell her nothing more because if she behave so, she would look a giant account when I tell her about, then if she forgot no much money, it's not going to be a problem.
It will be a bigger problem. So I tell you, so don't even feel it. As a matter of fact, you shouldn't even tell her that the first thing.
Show my friend and I say, you know, I think she's happy for me behaves.
Yeah, but I'm going to say I can't start all everything for the road forward. But just make sure, say, you know, but stress yourself and just be careful of who you talk to. And not everybody happy. You can't please everybody. But guess what? At least one somebody happy.
And it's you.
Exactly.
And you happy, we good.
Exactly.
Because when I feel like I'm going to cook nothing later, so get something for me when you come in here.
Yeah, okay. But the thing is, you know a place still KFC. KFC line go long from here, so go down a market. And we can't bother that. Because I don't know if people feel like they can't go somewhere else. They can't go Popeyes and them place. They don't. KFC.
Just get me a curry goat.
Curry goat?
Yeah.
Alright, no problem. I was trying to say, last time we get the curry goat, baby, I'm saying about everything because you say it too bony. I don't know how to do it now.
I'm going to the same place. Right, somewhere different.
Right, somewhere different.
Yeah.
You may about one in the restaurant. Alright, you are going. We go short even. And see me can get to 11 and thing. See?
Yeah, and take your time on the road, be safe.
Of course. You know, marry more. Have a reach home to you. You know what I mean?
Baby.
Well protected. I know some is a boy, you know. Left me 3-star, you know. Because any boy feel like they want to do a thing, you know. And me and them that, you know. You understand what I say? Because, you know, we can't walk with certain things. But, you know, we're protected. You know what I mean? We're not trouble nobody. You know what I already mean?
No, you're not trouble nobody, baby.
Watch yourself.
Alright.
So later, yeah? She
want me if you know put joint account with my good man when me have. She gonna tell me say me no put joint account with him. I lie. She tell she thinks so she and her friend them can take my man. I lie them I tell.
They need to start in some money right now because right now time hard. You need to get up and save money. What about me? The business money? You know, business money. It seems like, I don't know, you know. Let me be sad. Definitely, that's horrible. How are you going to find phone there?
Yeah. One sister said that, but I don't know if you sit down for the castle pan. We just have to pick sit down on the bamboo. And I was telling them that.
I disgrace you one. This
I
grace
come
you
to
out here. You don't want to see them, this is
I'm going to turn up. I can't look away from you. She don't like you.
you don't know what
You know this man, you know.
Oh,
The man come here to you. This man
what do you
attack.
mean?
He not give me no money at all. The man attack about say man save this and save that in an account.
So I sent.
And me and him there.
So I sent.
Me man grind me.
So you're gonna make me talk or you're gonna
Alright,
come again? So why the sense?
Mm.
A man go put his money in an account. Plus he might get a yard.
Mm-hmm.
And so where you fit eat? You know
You
what
please.
fancy?
You know
You
some
know what
guide.
card?
Some
You know what swap?
No, so.
No, I don't understand. You know?
Girl, like no more front to me.
Don't do that. You see, I'm a big fat. Listen, me drop down what I heard. Shake up. Listen, don't do that to me.
Yeah, pan a serious note. You don't know what say. You look like same boy when me I talk to right now. Feel like he want to take things serious with me. Cause he must say to me what they say. Me and him I go put money in a bank. Like you save up some money and think. So if I say if him cheat, me get the money. And if me cheat, he get all of the money. Like I marry the man who I marry to me.
Well, and a bad thing that I think that is a good thing. But another thing, and if you cheat or a man go find out that.
Thank you. Mama say, everybody got one me.
But that's a true still. Yeah. But are you have to know where you want?
Yeah.
You can't decide for you in this situation.
I don't want to settle down with one more. You know?
No, that's bad.
But that's true, I'm not for marriage stage yet. Look how life sweet. I don't think that.
I'm not saying that's a well done thing. But thinking.
By the way, I forced me ever say this too because by right, I demand to give me money to put in my saving. No, me I need to put no money together.
Well, that's true. Yeah. But sometimes nothing wrong if we as women put one look savings down by ourselves, but not with a man to join with a man.
But if a man don't have no money,
that's an extent. Yeah.
and you expect me to put my little money them on me and make in a feed account, and you run off with my money? After me go propose to me, I'm gonna run off with my money.
And your business get to know me now. Tell yourself to do it. But
I'm not doing
what
it.
I'm saying to you, you have to have an account for yourself where you put down money.
That's it.
You understand? Mm-hmm. Yeah, me know so you love your hair, your nails and your toenail and all of that something there. But you still have to consider saving as well. You can't consider to just them out man money.
But man money for them out, man want pum pum. I just sit facts.
I'm sure that, yes. But you have to know where you are. But
Me know what me
but
want.
this
Me
guy
want
first
scam
is
man.
like a good man, you know.
Listen to me. Listen to me and listen to me. Don't get me stressed out here.
How me I get stressed?
Me not settle down with your man. What going, babes? How
Like, everything good here? Nothing happened, man. Just hold on now. Just hold on. Before we start party, I have to talk to you first and we can know all that. I don't know how you're going to take that situation I'm going to tell you, but...
what situation you're talking
Let me can explain to you first and hear what I'm going.
Go on, me I listen.
How many more knows? Just put this. Last week more knows?
Yeah, that this not concern you have to say no.
Alright. Just to make you know, say, you see from last week, you know, see you, right? And you know, say you must feel like me ignore you and all them something. But it's not about ignoring, it's about knowing if you understand, say.
I can't get to your point. Yeah, get ignorant right now. Come on, get to the point. So
You remember some
fast.
when talk to you about a serious relationship and you know, meet you up on a level and you know we dance and we had fun and but
what?
we can't. I don't say to you just forget about it. Me.
Why?
Alright, you see when we meet you, right before we meet you, I'm gonna talk to one girl.
Yeah, but too much. Come straight forward, cause you get dark right now. So get straight forward.
You know, I forget dark. You know, I forget.
So we all like this for?
But me I tell you what I'm going because you know, me as a person when I have to express myself and make you know exactly how I feel and you know how me deal with things. So what I'm going on is that right before I meet you, I may meet one girl before. But when I talk to her in such a way where I'm sure her certain vibes. In a relevant who me I talk about right now.
No. See? You know me a plan for the right now?
What? No, that's hear me out for that me can't take but because right now the reason why me even go that way that when I me talk to you, the reason me even think about to go that way that is because me can't take a hostile. Just listen to me I say no man, me can't take a hostile situation and based upon even how you react to me certain way the next day when kind of turn me off. So me and she kind of went take things to one different level where we take things serious and she feel like say boy me fi you know going in one relationship where it can't work.
Nah. You don't go in my hole already, so you go in my hole, you not come up back. So, if you open your mouth, I shall listen to your mouth. Between the plan where you have between you and she, you try to cancel it. If you open your mouth one more time, just call her on your phone and tell her to cancel.
Call her on which phone? Listen me I say.
Me yes cock up.
You remember say when tell me say I don't really you never sure if you want a relationship. You say don't want you know body and because you went done do it that same day there, you went say boy you
seem like you don't
confident.
know who you talk to, you know.
So what you mean by that?
It seems like you don't know who you talk to.
No, but alright, hear me I say to you. Please and listen me out.
Me no want listen no.
So how it take you a week to kind of really come
After me there so talk to my friend about you.
Which friend you talk to?
You don't need to know that. After me there talk to my friend about you. You are going to tell me about other woman. You know what's a shame this?
And I'm not ashamed, it's for you to understand say you know we can't take it no further. Oh so alright. Go school man and some food just a man. Listen me I say, just hear me out. Please. I am sorry but things gone too far with me and she already so me can't really back
cancel that.
Me can't think it a school man.
Cancel it. I just find it expensive. But if you must shop here, you go buy it back. Cancel it. You cancel. You don't go underneath me already.
Yeah,
you know, come out.
But you say it already, so make you keep and I say.
Me you keep on repeat it to my mouth.
The reason why we won't even say to you say, things we have to see how it work out because you went say to me say, you're not sure, you're not really sure. So me when already just take the idea there and say, alright, since you're not sure, and it's like a call back the same day or next day.
Hello, listen to me. Listen to me and listen to my good. Let me tell you this right now. Me are sick and me are mad. I say if a man go underneath me, then I don't lift and lift. But tired, you know, no lift and lift. And you see that girl what you do with? You try to cancel that there.
Alright, hear me I say, alright, so give me a little time for that.
There's no time.
So what happen now? So me go down there go talk to her? That can't work out. That make no sense. See how if I fly on the place I know. It's me I talk about it just know it just a meant for certain things. Just understand me here.
Listen to me, I don't talk to you now.
You mean say don't talk to me?
I don't talk to you.
Me sorry about that, here. Please forgive. Just
forgive. I don't talk, I don't something I have to say. I swear upon my life, I say you don't cancel that memory like wow.
Alright, give me some so I'll talk to her. Yeah? I'm talk to her, I'm call her. Yeah?
Is it true the phone is expensive?
Just stop talking with the phone, man. So
come out, Amian. Come out! Out of that pride. I mean, you don't explain to my friend you can tell me about other girl. I'm going to eat. ants bite me up.
Oh my God,
The cook. There's some of this camera hungry. Girl, I'm jam. Are you coming, sir?
I don't understand you.
But I said, because of my food. Look up there, food almost done. Stop them, so. You know what? Food, I can't get food. No, okay. I don't know. You know, sir. My man to me, come up at my yard. And I can tell me, say, after me don't tell you everything about the man already, man I can tell me about other woman. Same time woman wants to go down with woman. What? Me dad said that. Me said to what? Girl, the man said to me, say, him find girl and sit down with. Like the man will get married.
What?
My mom tell you everything. My mom talk to you about everything.
I remember you talking about everything, but this one not bad.
I tell him, say, hello. Anything go underneath me now come back out. So you get tired of so.
I mean, hello, Pinky. Remember, and you said one say, no, you never want this man, you know. And you said and say you don't want to get married, you know. So if your man come and say he want to go, let go the man.
When I have to come.
Environment.
Environment too good.
You see, woman in life, no wow. Yeah, all this I have.
I know that better me just keep it to myself. Because I know that you come tell me. So before you hush me.
When if you usher, so you meet somebody one and give them a one night sign and then tell you all the sweet words when you want to hear. And then you said one turn on and say you don't want this or you don't want that. And now the man tell us say, it's alright, put it on pause or whatever.
The man want to left me. Go married other woman when I don't know about. I say, you know, I'm about it to them. I say, when I don't know night to them face, them not no face left.
And I'm like, I'm going to tell you something. You can't keep yourself out of trouble. You don't want him and leave him and alone make him man go on.
If you're the man there with me, then not the family.
Oh, so you feel like you can grow and ramble with people.
I'm not playing with nobody. He might not tell you something I'm play with him. Okay. Yeah. Maria can play. But me just.
You never answer another. They didn't complain about him.
Well, I'm not going to know what I choke. Anyways, put fun and joke aside for you. Right, but do you man, you know. But when the man can tell me, say, him find woman never stick around with and invest money with. Even if me never plan, so you say, alright, even if me I think about what say, me and him are going to come together and put towards what him say. You didn't even know that.
You didn't plan that, Pinky? Answer me honest. You didn't want the man?
Boy, I didn't have a look about that one, sis. But, no man, I take no man serious. But put fun and joke aside. You think it's right for a man if a woman?
Well, it's bad for a man if a woman. It's better for a woman if a man.
Yeah.
And you ask me one question, you know, Pinky.
You can always depend on the man them side.
No, me not always depend on the man them side. But the man them right, then right. When the woman, when they're wrong, they're wrong. You understand?
No, but notice with you, you never yet depend my side for once. Once in a lifetime, me in my deep problems, them I come see. You never hush me, you never say, oh, she a Pinky.
Oh,
I just,
God.
Oh, God.
I feel glad so you just leave feel and go itch in my heart for sorry for you. But
Nobody feel itch in your heart. If you never feel itch in your heart for a man, nobody come with it.
Because I don't know what I feel sorry
Anyways. Yeah, thanks for the little food. Because right now, Chuma don't say you don't have no man. You're going to go and say this and you're going to say that, you're going to say this and you're going to say what. But I don't be
I'm not telling you, with Uno Jamaican.
Tell her what Uno white woman.
No, shut up. Yes, when time people are telling you the truth, Uno feel offended. Uno don't want to hear the truth.
What is the
truth?
truth?
Jump off on the side and do all type of foolishness. But let me tell you something. You see that man will come to you and tell us.
Why you want him?
No, I don't want him.
Because so like you want him.
You see, I want you to just relax yourself, leave the man alone, other man out there, and not go and mash up the man relationship.
Don't mash up man relationship.
And you know, Mr. Pinky, come and know you know. You're a dirty girl already, you know.
I'm glad you know me a pretty girl. So my it plug out. Plug out. Come see little food.
Hey, give me.
Then have to take again. Alright, go with the plate. Go with the plate.
Remember, not to the man yard.
Yes. Alright, come on, let me go, right?
Yes, one team difficult.
Man, just because when you're gonna go down, I try to work out some stuff and then work out.
If I know one thing, boy, I know when something wrong with it. What's wrong with you?
Not really wrong with you, man. It's just, I'm telling you already, just that, man. You alright?
Yeah, man, alright. But I feel like something I got. What's up?
It's time to tell me just, I go through and I go, tire some vibes. That's I'm nothing serious. So you worry about it. I heard about something. Somebody call you with a bad news or something?
No, but your face expression you come through the door a while ago, like, it just seems like something wrong.
Not wrong, man. Let me tell you. It's just, when we go up on the road for the do it officially. I get showed everything. So, I kind of feel away. That's all.
Yeah, just remember, I am here. So whatever whatever you need, something there for you. So you can tell me, and if you burden yourself, you alone, I carry all them burden. I'm here. But that's why you have me, as your woman for back you up.
That's true. I'm up, man. Man, as I said, no worry yourself, man. Things that work out the way it's supposed to work out and so forth. It's just, as I say, I want to get, certain things dealt with officially on the road and you get to start the way I feel. But you good, you alright, don't make you worry about me, so I want you to talk to me.
Okay, me good, but it me just not like how you sound or you look. You just like give me that I feel that something is up.
Nah, man, you see some days are up, some days are down, that's all. You understand?
Okay, so where's something want me to leave buy?
I'm forget something, I'm go and go get it.
No, it's alright. I can't come home already. I don't want to go back on the road. Because anything, I'm just like, you don't look like you're alright stiff for my mind. So, I bet I'm going to look for something make you get to eat. Yeah, I'm going to cook something.
You sure?
Yes, man. I'm going to cook. I just want to say you okay. And anything about you, when you want to talk to me about, I'm here. That is why I'm here.
I look at you and walk on your foot, man. What are your foot? Your foot alright?
It's alright, man. I want to lick up pain, but it's alright.
It's alright. Alright, go on.
So, lie down and relax yourself. I'm going to look for something. What you want? You want some color low?
Yeah, put to go salvage now. But then again, you have sitting around there, salt mackerel.
Yeah, man, salt mackerel.
Yeah, I do it with salt mackerel this time.
Alright.
And we must not wash you out, wash all the salt out there.
No, I can't cook with that much salt, so I have to still scald off the salt off it.
Alright, no problem. Me there, yeah, baby?
Alright, baby, that's some fun.
Love you, yeah?
Yeah, I love it too.
Love only you, yeah?
Make sure.
Yeah, man. Yo, brother, where you there? Yeah. Alright, me I come check it right now. Give me one show your vibe, see? Alright. Babe, my son come here.
have any gathering and where they as I look on the phone, I forward me G. So I pray, what you say I'm talking about now? Because basically that's something I go deal with now. I mean, you feel like me a style then.
No, but, boy, here I go now.
So you're sweat someone, or you're nervous someone talk to me, no man.
You know what situation, brother? My situation is kind of very, very serious, guys. Two girls now. Remember the black one, I'm going to tell you, say, rope traps. When we meet down at the postal place, hold on, the post office.
The black one,
yeah,
well dark.
Yeah.
Like a chocolate.
Yeah.
Humble.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, a good girl, that man. I like her, man.
Yeah, me reason with her.
Hold on. Calm yourself. Because if you have a reason with me, I don't want you to say what your name means to say.
Yeah.
And then you go say what you want to say. Just calm down, man, and talk to me.
Alright, so here I go now. Long and short of it. Remember when that party I wanted to brown skin girl? You know, she went kind of, a drink enough and a smoke enough. And she went back up upon me a dance.
Hold on, you look at a slim one.
Yeah.
Well brown and you know bleach.
Yeah.
I want that.
Yeah. She had me a problem, brother. Meaning, she run and palm a certain way and, like, the spotty vibe say, she kind of, really might take things serious. So me kind of ease her off for a week.
So hold on, before you say that a girl will back you up on your party, you don't know that a girl a mad, a bad girl. So hold on.
After me know that, brother.
So hold on, you not talk to him and she never take things serious.
I try a thing, but she went and said, boy, she not really running certain way.
Oh, me get the drift here now.
Yeah.
So you not talk to her the same one back you up on your party.
Yeah.
And you hold a moment and a joy. Where you know so one bad girl madded. So true you not serious now. You do some room.
Yeah.
And then you go back the next one.
I have that one there already.
You have him already?
But we never really know say boy when I'm push it to the place where she are moving with me and sitting there. So yeah, brother, bomb fans, yo, listen to me, dog. Yo, like let's play a story to you, bro. Right now, problem in the car, the girl come check me, bro, come check me. Call me a motherfucker, me go check her, me and that fools, me go check her. And then me reach out to her, say, yo, you are going. Based on the week, when I see her and rate me start one different life. I'm gonna tell me, say, boy, if me think bad, continue with certain things. She want to she'll cut off everything and cancel that one day. Come here, brother, me I come clean for you. First time in my life, brother.
So you my referee in your life?
Brother.
So what you plan to do? No, what you plan to do? Because you know a mad girl and a bad girl. What you plan to do?
Me tell her say to ease up and she said she nah do it, brother. So me I said, you see I really father come here, cross this set to be
father gotta show you a sign, you know, bro.
Alright, you are going. Me gonna ask her to just check her for me and tell her say to ease up. Just get her talk. Reason with her sis, what kind of phone?
I want to check your man. Me if you go check her and
yeah, just go check her and tell her for me, brother.
Regine,
me
you have a friend.
Problem in my life. Yeah, me I say, my brother. She cause problem in my life right now, cause remember that one day serious. I mean I reason with her and even there yeah that one girl. Me figure buy KFC for girl.
Watch out, I'm a side chick call me, you know. Me a try to show you some run the game. Me not have to answer them. So you want me if you have my good life, you know, and go check.
Me a friend, me a friend.
Me and your friend.
So what you say, brother? A friend that's still not help a friend that's situation like them, my brother. What you talk about?
Alright, hold on.
Yeah,
hold on,
brother.
Sometimes I don't like the friend when certain. So what you want me to do? You want me to go check him and talk to him?
Check her and tell her some ease up off of the youth because you would have tried to start life differently. But she not going to talk to me. Brother, she had to tell me so much of phone on my face, brother.
Me I go talk to her now. Say if you don't work out, you can't, so I never talk to her.
But brother, you have to talk to her, make sure you work out. That's me I talk about. When me say you not going to work out. So when we go there now, me caught that one chop then, brother. Remember say when you went out of your chopping up, me will help you, brother. And me a bad up girl and tell us wait, me I went to jail.
Oh, so now that you tell me, you want me to go bad up girl?
Me don't know if you go bad up power, but you know, offer something, offer some money.
Alright, no worry, where in there? What the road? Alright. Who tries to the road in there?
Alright, it's close to the bar. We have a nice time. We should have by the right side of the house. Right side.
Alright. Run and foot to Papa or everything.
I don't know what you're going to do, but no, how about that, Papa?
You say after this, me know why you do me nothing. Me know why you do nothing for me.
What you mean?
You're
a friend, brother.
Yeah, bro, but you're a member.
Brother, me go to jail for you already. What you talking about?
Then I don't make you go. Alright, yeah.
Alright,
look more.
Yeah. Yo, make sure you make it happen, you know.
Yeah, man. May I make it happen?
Please.
Yeah. Alright.
So where you go?
We're going to link up coloring book and we'll talk to him about the situation. Yeah, you tell him about, you know, get through certain things. Oh.
Babes, you sure?
Mm.
Yeah, I feel like, no.
Oh. I really
It's a local.
Somebody can't touch me like so. I want
What that more want to know what is going on? I just feel like something I go and talk
somebody
to
can
me
search
now.
me. So search me. What you feel like to me? Go do a while ago? Eh?
Where you talk about?
No, me if you talk about because you make it sound like a do me go do a while ago. But you check my shirt,
You're guilty of something?
I'm not guilty of anything, but I'm just saying the way you come across a while ago, I just feel like, you know, like I feel uncomfortable.
But me feel uncomfortable because I don't know what's going on. 1 minute here, so then you go and check for it. You just come back and I'm tell you, say, might as well buy something for me eat then.
Wait a minute, something for go back. Alright, so when I go buy something to eat, I'm going to buy something to eat then? That's what I'm going to do?
I'm saying, the time you take a while ago and go out to look and talk to friend.
But when I go in that town, I got to straight the road, I go check coloring book. I'm talking about the situation, some situation, what going on with the studio.
Talk to me about the situation you talk to coloring book because I know this is not studio nothing. Talk to me because it's at this moment me I feel very uncomfortable, you know. Because I just have the feelings that something is going on.
There is nothing going on. You want bun on your stone, you smell that?
Me know when you tell lie now.
What mean say no?
Don't forget to me know when you tell lie now. Something is very off with you, you know.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't judge me. You judge me right now. You judge me right, and you know when people judge me about certain things, it make me feel uncomfortable like say me I do something wrong. I'm not doing anything wrong.
The only way you feel uncomfortable unless you're doing something wrong. What you doing?
So why you accuse me and then you ask me what me I do? Eh? What you accusing me of first place? What you accuse me of? Tell me now.
Me like to find out too. Me not accused of anything. Me just want to find out what's going on. Cause me knowing something bother you. Something bother you.
Something not bother me. Nothing not bother me. No bother not go on. That me I tell you. See you make it sound like something bother you. You have something to tell me?
Yes, something bother me.
So if you check, you know, and make sure say someone not come here a while ago. Come running. The Bible say, so man thinketh in his heart, so is he.
That is
so
why you know, so they start raising voice and going with you're guilty of something.
I am.
But me go find out what going on. So better tell me from now.
What do you mean you can find out? You can find out something that's not happening. How if you find out nothing did there? Are you serious? What you do? What you do to me right now?
You there drink a while ago and you go to the road, you drink
no, I rum you living pan now? You can't rum it?
I did not see
a rum head you call me?
I did not see
I am not a rum drinker. I don't drink rum. Remember, say you say you drink rum, so I'm a tell someone to drink rum, and we build something based on the facts that we don't drink rum. And you understand? You see me talk, I foolishness. I feel fool attack right now.
For your entire telling lie, you're very stammer, your voice loud, and you're going with this. But listen to me.
Alright, you hear me talking loud now, and you feel like it's about nothing. I'm talking loud because of what you're saying to me. You're accusing me. You're telling me that I'm doing something wrong. So why you know I was setting up on a tone and I want to home and reach on a tone? That makes sense to you?
You know the funny thing about it?
What?
You don't even know yourself. You're so dramatic when you tell a lie.
You're dramatic.
You
me
very dramatic.
What do you mean? So a jam.
Excuse what you looking for? What is it? What you going to do?
I'm looking around. So I want to know. Everything you want me to do now is a problem? Alright. So alright, see the now. Let's throw the dice. Can't stop around.
You must know where you're throwing dice from.
Double six.
And where you're
Double six.
And where you're
6-5.
You must know. Me gonna cook my dinner.
4x.
You see? I know me I believe.
3-2.
I know me I want to make a mistake, you know.
Mistake?
Me I wonder if I make a mistake, you know. Because you see, me put my faith and I trust you so much that I'm willing to complicate my relationship with my best friend because of you.
What do you mean
I'm
complicate
just
the relationship with
have
the
the
best friend?
feeling in my gut that something is going on.
What do you mean complicate the relationship with the best friend?
You don't know what when you complicate something? You don't know?
You are talking madness now about complicate. Complicate what? What are you talking about? Who's best friend you talking about?
My relationship between me and my best friend, it's complicated. It's just because of you.
So me cause you finna have your best friend as in a relationship with that, tell me? So me a complicated. Go and tell with the best friend. Go tell your best friend, your best friend wait for you.
You see, you're crazy.
Me crazy?
You're so... Something is
You
wrong.
draw me out and you're saying
Me
something
dry
wrong with
you
me.
out. Me dry you out.
Yeah,
Sometimes
you cook the
I
food
must
and you cook the
dry
food.
you out more often
You cook
to
the
get
food.
them kind of reaction from you.
You cook the food and you cook the food.
Because somebody tell me say you are BS, I would have said no doubt in life I'm a man, just like I always do. Because you see me a man mascot and me a man clown, I was a pick up phone, you know.
Alright,
But don't worry
stop.
yourself.
Alright, stop. Don't make me take it up the same way. I'm going to start over. I'm sorry for how I behave. Right? Yeah, I don't mean in a place of sweat. But the music is the problem. And because of the music, why certain circumstances are happening.
Forgive me. I may have said a few things that didn't sound proper. Forgive me. I may have
Martha?
done a few things that shouldn't really matter.
You can't come check me.
Blame it on the music.
Girl, me want to talk to you about something. Just come for the yard, break on the veranda. Yeah.
Forgive me.
5 minutes, you know, no longer than that.
I may have had a few drinks that goes through my head. Forgive me. You know those little things can leave a man insane. I declare my innocence. Blame it on a terrible dream I had last night.
I never want something to you know.
You mean that?
My man, I first never see him the way. When him coming in, I realize there's something wrong with him. But me ask him what wrong with him and him not tell me much ever make knows everything go, which me knows everything because I know him. Something wrong with him. Like that, me and him don't talk and me go in the kitchen and look for something. Me hear him say, babes, me soon come. So, when me come back and go in the room, me ask him say, if he may go out a while ago, him say yes. He gonna give him friend. So, you know, when I feel like something is off, so I go up near to him so, and I look at him, he get aggressive. He start cuss. And I said, me thinking, tugu.
Murderation, botheration, alteration, fearation. Consider me a listen.
No, so I don't like where you stay.
Oh, me stay. Jessica, oh, me stay. Listen to me. You called me over here this morning, right? And you're the boss boy, your man this, and your man that, and your man want to put money in the account. And I type of there's something there, you swear for your piece of man.
No, can't
Me
do
there
that.
tell us say you go sorry. But look at you now. You think you see nothing yet? It's just a start, mama. You don't get nothing for your man yet.
We have been a
You don't
smart
get
life.
nothing. But come, as me said about bank situation, me have a friend named Pinky. This morning when I left her over here, I go for the road. It's the same thing we had tell me about put money in an account together, man and woman. Pinky just tell me the same thing, like she say same thing what you say. So me say, why Jessica and Pinky conversation like they combine together like each one tell me it's same thing like a one man.
So hold on there. I ask a question. So you feel like a my man she attack?
Jessica, don't get me wrong. Me say if you wanna tell me same thing, me don't know if I one man I tell you the same thing and the same man I tell Pinky same thing. I'm just saying it to one conversation just too similar.
No girl, my man not cheaper, my man not do that. I'm
Yeah.
my man. But anyway, the Pinky girl, the more to know who she be, where she come from.
Pinky just come from right down there so everybody know Pinky. Pinky is a dirty girl, Pinky is a loud girl, Pinky is a party girl, Pinky all over the place. So you don't know Pinky.
I don't know own him, so I'm saying more to get for no while. Come on, what is going on?
Why you want to get to know Pinky for?
Let me why you want to get for no Pinky?
Yeah, so that's why me no come up with your quartet. Although me and your friend and me and she a friend, but me just like, why? Me no want to get in no problem, you know. Don't cause your man because me come tell us something, but I want to hear me just come to you, you understand? But it was similar still. Yeah.
That's why me want, you gonna make me know the Pinky girl, yeah, me want, you gonna bring me down there, come on. Let me by hand.
In blood of Jesus against you. Me if you care my next friend go to my next friend. Oh, so me a hypocrite. Oh, me a stab in her back.
How? Let me and
Let
a
me
friend.
tell her what me go do. Me go follow you. And me go turn all the way like her up there so. And show you say sing the down there so. And then if you angle the bango, you don't come in here, you know. Don't mix me, you know. Me just put up on your yard.
Anyway, I still feel like my man, because I don't think my man will do that same way.
You
But we
say
just
that
want to
you
find out.
Where you want to find out? If you don't think that your man, it don't make no sense to go to your girl then. Because that go all cause problem. And the girl go see as a troublemaker. If you don't think that your man, you have to be sure say your man before you can go put yourself in a one problem or go cause some drama where you know say no one build up no hatred in this community. So if you know say you're not ready for this, to trouble the girl.
I'm not in no problem, I'm not because guess what? Me no offer the mind. I can go to her and tell her say me and the man are brother and find out what one.
Everybody knows public killer is a place. Everybody knows that him not brother and sister.
Then she must know about me then for my man she take it.
Listen to me, public not tell people saying that with woman.
What I mean by so you know say me and him then?
Because we come in here and me know.
That means that you say the boy no own me then. And me alone no say me
never
than you.
that. Don't mix me.
But you say nobody no know say public have woman. Everybody supposed to know say me and woman.
He not roll like he have woman. He roll like him a single man.
What you mean? What that's supposed to mean?
I know one day I go over because no one people and no like use people bathroom. I'm not going to infection. I'm not going to carry this.
You know I'm a feel say all the while they make me if look here me call it for me a reason good. Intercourse to my man is always a problem.
No, mama. Sorry, yeah. Sorry, me don't come back here.
Can't believe this. 1 month now, none of them post office are working now. And this man come there now, every day now. Down on me ears are asking for number you know. And I finally give the man my number you know. In front of a date. And after I did him ask for movie with him now. 1 week now, I'm moving with the man now. And this man do to me. Can't believe the man so wicked, man wicked girl.
Jessica, me never tell you. Me didn't want you. This man when you tell me about joint account and this and that. Me never tell us what to do it. Come and you take your money, go my little Lord Jesus. Me feel like I want profit. But we preach.
You see you all who are going now, you laugh off me in a silence now. And that's your you know.
Jessica, but me and show you say everything when me and talk about here this morning, see everything I feel in your face. Oh God, me feel me girl. Oh shit.
It's alright. Because this is my comfort zone and this man come take me to my comfort zone now. And I know say he's a mad girl, you know. It's alright. Me go fix him, man. Me go fix that girl when they with.
Oh. Sick.
You know what? Me go come go in and me home.
But anyway, long and short of this story, look for me. You like it? Because we are about to just put up on the note. Because you see me, I said nobody serious with that here. Because guess what? It's when we go back and get them in your hands and pull my belly. Yeah? When you are there, the boss said, listen to me, someone. You need to call you, don't call me. You hear?
You just look nice. That's why you do it.
Yeah, this is not funny. This is not funny. This is just a
Yeah, but I can't sleep. This is saying I sleep already. Can me hear in here.
But we don't go at me asleep. We are talking about when we're done so we start over and take it easy. Me not argue with you. I'm sorry for what going earlier on.
You ever watch a cartoon where it say Pinky and the Brain?
Eh?
Pinky and the Brain. You know what? You never used to watch a cartoon then?
No.
And you don't know what Pinky look like?
No. What no?
Just ask that question. You never watch a cartoon and you never see Pinky. And Pinky no meet no way. Pinky and the Brain, the Pinky. I don't know what a cartoon is.
Where you coming from, Jessica?
I come just ask that question. My friend had told me something about a cartoon. So we wonder if you ever watch it, if you know about that Pinky and the Brain.
Alright, stop. Stop. I'm gonna tell you the truth of God love. Come off your phone, talk to you, please.
I know my eye me use and listen on my ears so you can talk.
Jessica. You don't know if you can believe when I sit here? Well, you better make come clean and tell everything, right? Can you hear me?
Yes, we hear.
1 month ago, I met the most beautiful girl in my life. I was posting a letter to drop off some information to get some royalty. And I look up and I see it. And the day when we meet you, it was something so special where we can't explain words. There's no word in a dictionary or if a Siri can't even find one name or one word to explain the joy and the feel meeting you. Right? To talk to you, bring you on one date, and you felt so connected and comfortable with me in such a way. Nobody give me don't sleep here like you want to sleep. May I bore you? Listen to me, I said, just listen to me, I said.
May I hear you, sir?
You know you hear me, but you're like interested. We bring you on a date there, we talk and we make a bond so we are going to move forward on certain things. Happen that's while before we go on a date, we want to meet somebody where, we just talk and, happen that's me have too much to drink and my virgin, same virgin will check a while ago. Me have too much to drink and that's, me hug her up and, like, she fall for me and things. So me I talk to her now because I was, just put my cards on the table to so boy if I black or red. You understand? I'm choose black. Choosing black was you. Because black is beautiful, baby. Very beautiful. You understand? And I appreciate everything about you. So what happened that me not hear from she for a week. So me move in and we settle down. 2 toes. Brooks the phone ring. See herself link up and rotate it. So I go to her and I tell her I said I'm not interested no more. I mean I want what we talk about, manifesting nothing at all because it can't work and I have a woman already. Right? So me telling her this now, she has said to me, said that can't work, she want me. Right? So when she said she want me now, I tell her, I said, no, it can't work. So I just know you see me coming in the room and my face look upside down. I'm sorry to tell a lie about the music. Yeah, something about the music is true, but that at that point. You understand? So I tell her no, but that is the truth of God's love and I'm not interested in nobody now but you. I don't know if you're going to believe what I said to you, or I don't know if you're going to understand from my perspective of the mistake or the caught or get caught in that situation.
You know, just sweet and lie. That's what it is. I see everything when you tell me, I tell the girl now.
No. me ask her something cause me want like if me involved in a relationship, me want to know say a person can believe me and want to move forward in a certain way. But me try the wrong place. And that's it a backfire for me right now. So please baby, understand say me sorry.
No, you're not sorry. You're only sorry so me find out that you're sorry about. Because me give you much chance to come clean and you go on with yourself and you go on with yourself and say nothing. All of a sudden now, me bring up the cartoon, you remember everything clear, everything come up to your memory.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
What else you tell lie about? Who
Nothing
knows
else,
what else you tell lie about?
nothing like what it's about nothing at all. It's no sorry man.
No, what's that?
I'm talking for show you something really sorry.
You're talking of dishonesty. So you want to give me this to remind me of dishonesty day after day after day after day.
Alright. So I'm about to take it. Just
There's something. You see, all of this, we're going to need time to process it.
you need time.
You need time to process all of this.
Because
if you ever know, only put my head on the block for you.
No, but me not do nothing wrong. I'm sorry.
Only, Jesus. No, my friend have a laugh off of me. Only put my head and swear for you so you're a good man.
Nothing in life is perfect. That is my only mistake. I'm not going to make no mistake. You ask me, I said, just please forgive me. You can't forgive me?
I need time to think about it.
So
for the meanwhile, I'm going to go back on my yard go stay.
No, don't do that.
What do you mean by don't do that?
So when you can't go down, you go stay?
Come I want a little time to think about what I think about. So I need to go down on my yard. I don't want you on my side. I can't. I just want time to clear my head. You do what you do, you never dare think. Because I ask, you know what burn me? I ask if I just come clean. Because my sister sitting not bother you.
I'm sorry. You're not. Let's go now, man. I better we can't.
I need time. I need some time to think about what I need to do, okay? So, and don't call me, I'll call you.
Pinky,
Hello.
why pray?
They come about my name for I want to keep.
I want to tell you what keep right now if a stone over base of this. You know, sir?
So yeah, so.
Tell me that you're still enough. So here what I want to know now. You know, so I'm a post office, but I deliver news still. You know, public, and you know, so I'm public a friend like that. Same way, you see me? But here what I want to know. Public will give me information to be able to tell us, so here what I want to know now. You see, when you're in a page of mean, when you're in a look and trying to have a serious relationship with you, it's like you never depend on that. You never want a serious relationship. So now you move on and up on a serious relationship.
Hello. Who's the come so? Come so?
You can't do it to me, man.
No, you're gonna come so?
No, you can't do it to me.
Listen to me. Me and public knowledge. We spend the day when me and public they have party. Me in a public as a public lap dance, and when you did your drink out time buckle rum and this and the other spot. Where were you?
I like how you like talking now. So you want me to say now? Me and Dide, when me and him make up and I buy the rum and you and me and him a drink out time. And when you give
Who's
me
going
lap.
to put money on that?
So what, you want me to talk? I know want me to talk. You want to talk? I want me to talk. Which one are they?
Where you come, please come? Where you
Well, me I try to tell you something, get a message, a man saying why you feel love him. Because when you not take the relationship serious, you never gonna take it serious, so now we move on. So you want you feel roar.
I see same message me give my friend, I say message me you. Say nobody come underneath me, you not come out back.
So repeat back a party.
Want me to repeat back?
Mm-hmm.
I said, let me get my name.
Mm-hmm.
Same thing I said to my friend,
Mm-hmm.
same thing I said to you. I said, anything going underneath my foot, that must be underneath it. So get this in your peanut brain, say, then public knowledge.
Well, me have a peanut brain, but you come like, just like how me have a peanut brain. Me I want never same, so when you put up underneath, you put a same, so underneath the stay. So we are
underneath then now no change.
Alright, realize that you take things to a different level, you know.
Man, matter of fact. I know say yeah. Remember that say? Yeah, man in the streets or whatever they want to call it. Me and go down in my mind, remember like this. You say if I come to you, come one year and speak. I tell you this straight. Me and him not know the police. You see me? Me and him not live. We don't name one. We don't nah left. You understand? Nah left. So you can have Tom, Dick, Harry. I don't please me. If not leaving.
So you say, you carry a message across and you give a message to carry across.
Yeah, so tell him, I know Sam said it to me, you know. But tell him, me say, Pinky said, we not no left or left. You see me?
Alright,
Yeah.
that's alright, Pinky. Big up yourself, here. Yeah, man.
Fun. I'm on it, I'm a
The subscribe yet.
Oh, let me take you there. No man is an island jack. You could be tougher than a rock. Hey, one by one we gotta make contact just to get on the right track. When it seems like something is missing, and for all the good things that you wishing, there's a place that the vibes is right, just like paradise, my paradise, my paradise, my paradise, my paradise. Hey, Public Jack say he ain't going back, no. So that struggling place, Lord, mark my words, I ain't falling back. Yes, I'm here to stay. I found in my life what's been missing, and all the good things I've been wishing. You'll find me where the vibes is right, and the price is right. My paradise, my paradise, my paradise. Hey, me say you now find public, I live above the me. Splitting out the left and on the beer and at the right. She just a wine and she a bubble for me right. Cause she know the kids them alright. Yeah, my paradise. Oh, my paradise. My paradise. Ooh. No man is an island jack. You could be tougher than a rock. Hey, one by one we gotta make contact just to get on the right track.